Hi guys, so this is going to be a behind the scenes. I have got a top on, so before anyone goes, oh she's naked, I'm not, I have a top on. This is going to be behind the scenes of me and Luke going to the selfie factory. We are going to the one in the O2. I'm currently getting ready. I have a suitcase for different outfits and I've currently got a scrunchie in my hair because it needs to dry the tiniest little bit and I can't bother to get my hair dryer out again. So I'm about to do my makeup and then I gotta go to the auto and then we take pictures, but you'll get to see all the behind the scenes of it. So thank you for all the new subscribers. If you aren't subscribed already, please do subscribe. I post at least once a week. I'll see you in the next clip. I'm now in the O2. I'm with Luke and Ryan. Like always. As you can see, I'm now all fully done up. We're going into the selfie factory, which is not there because that's kicked down. I'm going the wrong way.
Our honest opinion is it's very small.
Yeah, it's very small, but we will sort our lives out. Can we remember what this outfit's for? Bath. We're going in the bath. There's Luke. We're in the shopping bit. I'm fine.
Oh, I was going to say just connect it.
Oh my god, that's staying in. So it's a lot smaller than you think because like it goes that way and then the rooms are like next to us as well. But this is what we're doing. I don't look like me in the viewfinder. Look how cute.
Well, I definitely look like me, don't I?
We don't actually have 10 minutes, we have all day session.
We have all day. Look at the smiley faces.
We got little smiley faces. But I'm so excited. Behind the scenes we're trying to do a video. So you still can't see that. I'm going to sit on here and you're going to see the behind the scenes of it. Huh?
Do boomerang when you throw the money rather than just a photo. We'll stop that one later.
Up the angle of it. Oh, you can still do it.
Why got so in my head?
Yeah? Turn that off for a bit. Use a boomerang for a bit. See? Like, we're in one room and that's...
Your face. How do you password? I don't know it.
No, that's because I changed it.
Yeah. It's because we were on your phone when you were absolutely slaughtered.
So the only person that knows the password now is my boyfriend.
Who also forgot the password on your birthday because he was looking at your phone like, and I was like, oh, we got together then. Is that the boomerang? Yeah?
That's one, but save that so I can put it in the video. And then just save it.
I don't know if you want to look at it first.
That's fine. Let's turn this off for a bit. So we're back. I'm now in outfit number 2.
I'm not.
Luke's doing what he wants. But yeah, outfit number 2. And then, yeah. So this is now different loads of people in the minister.
Alex is in the changing room.
So I currently have Harley Quinn pigtails and bright red lips.
Very cute.
Yeah.
Little toddler just like waddling, like fat toddler waddling, and then just stops and went.
We've now got to find Ryan
because he's drunk in a pub.
He's drunk and we need Luke's camera. Hi guys, so thought I'd finally sit down and tell you about the final bits of the behind the scenes of my photo shoot that me and Luke did. So as you can tell, some of them are on my Instagram. I will leave some on screen that have been edited already. So what I've been using to edit is Lightroom, and I've been trying to play with the saturation and the colours and everything to make him pop, because it was, for something that was selfie, it wasn't lit as well as my setup. Like, I needed a box light with me 24/7 just to give me the brightness. I really enjoyed the day though, and everything like that. It was a very good experience, and I think I've like mastered some of my like poses and the way I style and deal with myself. Obviously today I've got a black t-shirt on, but we are now in isolation, so I'm not going to dress up even though my makeup is like over the top. I'm about to take it off. But yeah, I've enjoyed the experience. As you could see from the videos and stuff, there was like 6 rooms, and then you have other aspects to take pictures of. Me and Luke used as many of those as possible, and it was just a really good experience for the pair of us to both get the exposure that we need to know what's going on. I'm not exactly a size 4 anymore. I was at one point, and I'm like, but I now know where to style for my body type. And obviously today I've got jeans on and a t-shirt, so I look absolutely huge. But it was more learning how to pose with my hair and like figure out like how to use my hands and stuff like that. And obviously I know some of this because I'm a little poser and Liam calls me it all the time, but you know, when it's more, can my hair sit like this for 2 seconds, and then I need to run my hands through it and move it and change it, and it's like, do I look alright if I slightly part my lips and everything like that. So it's an amazing day. It was a very long day, don't get me wrong, but yeah, that is the end of today's video. I'll see you all soon. Bye.